for sure if the people build house like that, they don't have the building certificate and the land certificate. But you still can buy or sell like under the table.
Oh,
You know, like in the black market, yeah, like illegal. So you can see from here the slum area all over.
It's a very big area.
Yes. Around 7,000 families live in this area. So you can see the house even with stilts, like floating on the water.
At the edge of water.
Child labor is actually illegal.
Yeah.
But how do you know it's child labor?
Yeah, they sell. Look at
Itulah
that. They
consider
sell
child
the.
labor lah. Doesn't matter who ask them to do. You put a child
So
out.
what if I buy something? Am I
Encouraging?
am I encouraging or
Yeah, of course you help the people, but according to the regulation, it is illegal. But nowadays it's not so strict. But in 2014 until 2017, if you give money to beggars to anything, you will get fined 500,000 rupiah. We have a very strict governor at that time, but now it's okay.
oh, at that time?
At that time, 2014 until 2017, that's it. After that, we don't have a good governor anymore. And most of the wealthy Indonesians is Chinese Indonesians. Look at this, 37, the house number 37. I call this Roman Empire house with the statue. And the gated communities with the barbed wire. And not because only lack of education, but the big corruption.
Corruption.
Yeah. But I am already bored of the corruption news, you know? Every day in the news, corruption here, corruption there. It's like, oh my god.
It's hard to contain it lah.
Yeah. But yeah, in Indonesia, I think the biggest one is Pertamina. Do you know Pertamina?
The petrol lah.
Yeah,
The
petrol.
oil.
Yeah. So we have the.
Is it with the
petrol.
Qatar one? No, Pertamina.
Sorry,
Oil and gas, right?
Yeah, oil and gas. In 92, they put it with only 90, but no one realized money.
In the gas station?
Yeah, they sell the 92, but it's actually 90.
Yeah.
100 of trillion of rupiah they corrupt. That is the last 9 children. Malaysia, Singapore. Oke. Dan
Mau kemana sih?
naik beca dulu ke sana. Usually. Halo Pak, oke. Di Singapura. Yes.
Okay.
So we have a program to help them, free program in the past, yeah. But after COVID, because COVID, we don't have tour. So we have to stop our program and we start again in 2022.
I cannot imagine. How was it during COVID?
Terrible. It's terrible. No, even the people, they have to stay in their house.
Yeah.
They cannot get out. There's a lot of people become jobless.
For yourself?
Yeah, we don't have tools, so I was a videographer before.
Oh, you were.
Yes, and then because of COVID, I stopped. And then after the COVID, because Ronnie, my dad is ill, so I replaced Ronnie after COVID.
Oh, okay, understood.
Yeah. Previously we have a lot of tour guys, but now I'm the only one
Okay.
because we couldn't pay Parlin. We have Ronnie's friend Parlin,
Parley.
We have Aldo already passed away. Still medication. And we have the 3 programs is emergency education and empowerment. For the education, we make a free class, English class. This is our class.
Okay.
This is funded by.
dia
I
punya.
got,
Okay.
what is it? There's a German guy
Ah,
who wants to donate every month, so
That's good.
I can start. But I just start in 18th of May.
Oh, recent.
Before COVID, for 5 years, I already do it the class. You can see.
A small place. There will be there.
Only 10. If I have more donation, then I can provide more.
Used to be a river.
It's not flowing anymore because of the rubbish, trash, and clouds. So it's not flowing. And this is the second-hand building materials that the people can buy to build a house like that. You can see. You remember 10 meters from the water it is illegal.
So this is the one.
Yes, 10 meters, they are not illegal. Sell recycled stuff. Plastic bottles,
This area?
cardboard, iron. This is the agent.
Oh, inside.
Yes. So we have the lowest. So we have the lowest income job in Indonesia is the scavengers. Yes. We call it pemulung. So you can see over there a lot of scavengers collecting the recycled stuff and then they will sell it here. Why it's the lowest income job? Because for 1 kilogram of plastic bottles, only 4,000 rupiah. 1 kilogram.
Who brings everything here?
The
This-
garbage collector.
Oh, they will dump it here.
Yes, they will
Then they
bring it
got
here.
scavengers come.
And then scavengers come, sort the recycled stuff, and then they will bring with a big truck to the mountain of trash. in
Which is
Bekasi.
also
in Bekasi, like 1.5 to 2 hours from here. This is the scavenger.
Halo Tante, kali mama mbak. Pinter, anak mister.
Ah.
Ini kayak papa, kayak mama.
Mereka dari Singapura.
Oh si dapur.
This is our one of our children that we teach. Yes, we teach. Come on, take this now. Please try.
Good morning.
Namanya siapa?
Namanya Pipis.
Pipin. Ini namanya Bunga. Ini namanya Nadi.
Nadi.
Foto yuk, foto.
Kak Chandra. Enggak.
Mbak. Tak.
And this is
Salah.
public toilet.
Oh.
So 3,000 mandi taking a bath. Berak is taking a
Public.
bath. Yes. But this one is broken. They have a lot of public toilets around here. So can you imagine, for 1 kilogram of plastic bottles, it's 4,000. But to use the toilet, it's 3,000. Let's say they can collect around 10 kilo per day. So 10 times 4,000, 40,000 rupiah. Only 3 Singaporean dollars, yeah. But they need to remove the labels, open the cap, and squeeze it. Then they can get the 4,000 per kilo. Otherwise, it's only 2,000 per kilo.
Hard work.
Sekarang apa? Berapa per kilonya? Oh, now it's racing. Now 5,000. Kalau sehari kira-kira dapat berapa? Dapat
15 kilo.
15 kilo. Bisa 15 kilo.
Bisa.
Soalnya
15,
dekat ya.
15
Very
kilo.
close.
Ya, tinggal sini doang ya. Mari Bu. But it's a lot of work, you know, to get 15 kilo. Makanya orang yang di Indonesia.
Hah?
So over there is the lake, if you remember.
Yeah.
And over there is the river.
Di sini.
So even though they live illegally, they have to pay electricity legal to the government.
Oh, okay.
So, but it's only one electricity company in Indonesia. It's
So
PLN.
the electricity is all legal lah.
Yeah,
Because it's in some countries like they tap
yeah, they
illegally.
steal.
Ah.
Yeah. But this is we pay legally. Yeah, with the bucket. Yeah, so we have a new regulation because of the sinking problems. North part and the central part, we cannot take the groundwater anymore. But
This is groundwater.
yeah, so some people still, because they don't have money, how they can survive it?
Huh? Yeah.
So we will use the local transport, beca.
It's the old thing. Sing budak ni. Jalan.
This is a mushola. Yeah.
So they pray.
Mulai Singapura. Kalau Indonesia ya, Singapura. Tapi bisa masuk ke Indonesia. We have to buy drinkable water, 6,000 rupiah. This is to refill. Usually, if you buy in the mini market like Alfamart, Indomart, 25 to 30,000 the gallon like this. And then you can, if it's empty, then you can refill it here for 6,000 rupiah.
Oh, I see.
Because our tap water is not for drink. Yeah. Dari Singapura. Banyak kayak orang Indonesia ya. Can you imagine in Indonesia we have a very low income. Most of the people it's even difficult to go abroad, even to Singapore, even to Malaysia.
Okay.
So most of them they work, you know, but it's a very difficult thing. Sometimes they even go there illegally,
Okay.
right? So most of the people they don't know what Singapore looks like. Malaysia looks like.
Now that you say that, I'm beginning to understand.
Yes. Excuse me, Syahrul.
Ini kulit dari mana ini?
Singapura.
Oh, Melayu ya?
Melayu.
Dari mana nih?
Melayu mana? Singapura. This is Medan, Kota Sumatera.
Dia dah explain kan, baru I faham. That's why macam when you explain it, dah I understand why.
Yeah. So the corrupt system for me also the wage, the salary. Sama bapaknya. So this is one of the area that has been demolished by the government. Previously, the house is on the water here with the stilts floating. None. Now it's gone. And this is the social housing from the government. Yes. Even though it is social housing, but they need to pay the rent still, but only 240,000 rupiah per month.
This is not there for all
Yeah.
because it's one block.
I think all of them only 120 rooms or something. Yeah. It is not enough.
Yeah.
Yeah. And over there is the Dutch building. It is now a museum, maritime museum. But in the past, the Dutch used it as the warehouse to store the spices because they get a lot of spices from Indonesia. Can you balance yourself?
Yeah.
Just be careful. Yes.
Scary, yeah.
So
Careful, huh?
what we are stuck on, the wall. Look at that. The sea wall. And to the north, look at that. All over the north part. They make like this. So this is already the sea water. We have the fishermen's. That is harbor. And why they demolish this area? Because they want to make a touristic area. They want to copy Malacca in Malaysia. Masih 240 ya sebulan ya?
Malah 310.
Oh 310, now 310 per month. Dan udah sama air sama listrik?
Beda.
Not without
Oh,
water
beda.
and electricity.
Separate.
Separate.
Cantik kita malas. Mulutnya Elisa.
Namanya Bunga sama Nadim.
Malaysia, Singapura.
Singapura.
Ikut.
Ikut.
Tapi sehat minumnya.
Apa tuh? Kan dia? This is
Dah.
say
Terrible lah. Yalah, of course lah. Same. Disparity dia. Kita tu tadi ke belakang sikit. Sekejap.
Okay. Please watch your step. And this is another public toilet in Mandi, Taula, Islam. And where do you pay? It's apa ya? Bayar di sini. Please watch your step. So one room is one family. Usually. And they all have ventilation. Yes, otherwise it will be very hot. Because there's no window. Halo Ibu. For the train. Train will pass. Okay, I know in Singapore you cannot cross the railway, but in here you can cross the
Woohoo.
So they live here very dangerous.
Yeah.
They can get hit by the train. They still use asbestos as the roof. Asbestos.
Asbestos ya.
Yes. And then in the dark hallway, they
Boleh
cook.
cause cancer.
They cook in the dark hallway. Some stove with the gas. Yes. And 10 years ago, there was explosion and make the burn all over the area. And then also look at that high voltage. I can imagine in Singapore you cannot build a house in next to the
Okay.
and for orang Singapura.
Singapura ya.
Iya.
Sini
Bisa,
bisa
bisa.
dong. Bisa ya. Bisa
Can you
ya?
speak Indonesia? Bisa.
Oh, bisa.
Bisa dong.
What drink is it?
It's
Oh, air
tonic.
badak.
You know, cap badak.
Yeah, badak.
Yeah, in
Yeah,
Singapore, right?
but it's not
Inside like this.
it's in a bottle form.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Same brand.
Yeah, same.
Oh,
But
look
the
at
inside is the same as
this
the.
melon.
But with the flavor.
Oh, we
Now.
don't have. We don't have.
Oh,
You don't have
no,
with the flavor?
No flavor. Just
Oh, yang cap badak
Kosong.
yang biasa, ya.
Ah.
Yang botolan.
Ini.
Yeah, like this,
Nih.
right?
Yeah.
Di Singapura adanya yang ini doang.
Oh.
Yang ini nggak ada.
Nggak ada. Oh.
Cooling water lah.
Yeah.
What?
Melon.
So orange, this one. Honeydew, anggur. Anggur is grape.
Yeah.
Then lychee, jambu. Which one you want to try? Huh?
Guava. This one is
Guava. This one. Honeydew. This one. Okay, open up. Use the straw.
Tadi habis sholat ya, Bu?
Iya, udah selesai istirahat keleleng.
Pulang.
Keleleng.
Oh, iya.
Biasa keleleng sebentar. Ini sehat nih.
So almost 24 hours the train passes.
Yeah.
It's not 24 hours. At night also they have
Oh,
trains.
almost 24 hours. So the one that you just saw is
yeah.
the commuter line. It is stopped at 12.
Coba. Oh, mau.
At 12 they stop, and then 1 hour break.
Oh.
Then 1 o'clock in the early morning, the cargo train and the Java train. So we have the Java train also. You know, the train goes to Bandung, Surabaya,
Oh,
Yogyakarta.
Bullet.
And cargo train is the loudest
Yeah.
and the longest. Yeah.
It's not easy.
And it
lah.
at night, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock,
But they are used to it already.
they already get used to the sound. Yes. Please be careful again. Watch your step. Watch your head.
Huh? Careful ya below, abang. Ada lubang dia.
Watch your head.
Kepala.
Watch your head again. Another well to get the water. It's clean water, but only to take a bath,
Oh ya, dia make this.
laundry.
Kitchen Ya. It's like they have no privacy in here.
Yes, there's no privacy.
I think it's quite tough.
Hello, Ibu.
Ada.
And this is the worst part because they live under the bridge of the train. So the sound for sure is louder and shaking sometimes,
Vibrate lah.
vibrating.
Direct Really under the bridge. Oh my god.
Keju. Oh, kosong. Oh, ada isinya. And in the past, the Dutch come with this boat, with the ships from the sea, and then coming here, and then crossing the drawbridge.
This drawbridge.
Yeah, the drawbridge that can open. Yes, like in Amsterdam. But we don't use it anymore. So now we have this concrete bridge.
But
And
they maintain the old structure.
Yeah, they maintain the old structure. But they don't maintain the people.
Yeah. Oh my god.
They don't have enough money. Like they are all scavengers, so it is very difficult to earn money to pay rent. Hello.
Semuanya.
So because they are all scavengers, it is very difficult. But of course, everything is more expensive in the center. So now we are in the center of Jakarta. So in the north it's 4,000 per kilo, but in here it's 7,000 per kilo. Of course they earn more money, but also more expensive for the room they have to rent. That's why. There is the Java train. You can see. Of the plastic bottles.
Oh, that's good.
Yes. Halo Ibu.
Then for the sanitary,
They have to go to the public toilet. It's everywhere the public toilet. But of course you need to pay. Yeah.
Kerja sehari mencari botol.
so where is it?
Di agensi penjualnya.
Oh,
That's the agent.
Oh.
If you remember, I showed you the agent in North. Everywhere also you have the agent in Jakarta. And the agent will bring again to the recycle company. They will sell to the recycle company, and the recycle company usually have nearby the mountain of trash. Yes.
foto.
Yang mana?
Latihan cung.
So these kids are also homeless.
No.
Only
They
this.
live, but also poor people.
Hey,
It's a small room. But they like to play in here. Like I said,
Oh,
there's no
yeah.
playground. So this is.
But
Yeah, I think it's a full holiday. So this is the Java train.
yeah.
You can see to Semarang. Semarang is the north of Java. They don't use the stove,
They use wood, firewood.
firewood, and second-hand wood. That's why it's still nails. But after they burn it, they can collect the nails and sell to the agent.
okay.
Yeah. Okay, over here. Singapura. Ini kayak orang kita ya.
Tahu deh.
Slippery. Aku boleh masuk ya?
Masuk aja.
What's your head? So this is the
Soybean.
soybean, but it's already cooked. The soybean already cooked. The real soybean like is this small. I think they already cook it all.
Boil
In the
it.
morning, yes, they boil, and then they put it here to filter the skin, and then they put in this machine to split the beans.
Oh,
So this is split beans, yes. And then they mix with yeast
Yeah.
because it's fermentation. Yes, fermented. But that they wrap with the plastic, and then they wait for 3 days. On the top they put it here, yeah, like this, and then wait for 3 days. After that, you can cut.
Nah, gitu.
Dia bisa bahasa Indonesia, cuman lebih bisa bahasa Inggris. Tidak jelas itu. Oh yeah, with banana leaves, right?
Yeah.
After with planet, after 3 days, then they will change to banana leaves.
Oh, yeah.
Dia sering makan tempe di Singapura,
Yeah, but never know the process.
tapi nggak pernah tahu prosesnya kayak gimana.
Okay.
Makasih ya Pak.
$1 Singapore or
Yeah, $1 Singapore.
Singapore how much?
$1 Singapore for
12,000.
Huh?
12,000.
12,000.
Yeah.
$2?
Yeah.
24.
$2.
Ini only 5,000.
$5. Cannot get.
It's very hot. This is the process of tofu. They cook the soybean in here, and then they squeeze it with that machine. And then they put in the filter with the soybean. And then they put it in the bucket, and they put in the box like that. They press, and then it becomes like that. And then in the afternoon, some people cut square and triangle, and then they fry in the big wok. Yeah, this in here like that.
But they sell it to this area.
To the traditional market like or far away.
So that one also do tempe, this one also.
Yeah,
So got competition.
yeah, sure.
Yeah, between so many distributors.
But usually they already have their own subscriber,
Oh
The
yeah,
one who
customer
bought
lah.
the customer.
Okay. Yeah, regulars ah.
regular. Yeah.
Why do they not mind for us entering here? Looking to know? Because I feel like intruding.
Pura. Bisa bahasa Indonesia.
Anaknya.
Iya.
Main dorong-dorong aja. Kirain orang yang biasa ngikutin.
Very thick.
Yeah.
The one sold in our country is very thick.
Oh yeah.
It's
Like a chocolate bar.
Like a chocolate.
Yeah,
It's not
very
this
flat.
thick.
It's expensive.
It's about $1-2 lah.
Oh my god.
But this is stick lah.
This is thick.
Di Singapura katanya ada tempe tapi cuma tipis segini nih.
Tipis.
Sejengkal. How much?
Berapa ni? $1 lah.
$1 or $2. Segini,
Yeah.
terus tipis 24.000.
Mau ke sana saja.
It's better I work in Singapore. Tapi nggak bisa bahasa Jawa, nggak bisa bahasa Indonesia.
Lima. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5
Bajaj parking place. So the system of Bajaj, some of the driver, if they don't, they own this vehicle or they don't own this vehicle.
Rent.
Yeah, not rent, but if they work with the boss, so if they don't